I spelled that wrong. All right, let's see if this crazy thing works. So here's the deal. I figured out how to go live from Zoom to Facebook Live. So I'm on Zoom and Facebook Live at the same time. And I'm going to do another webinar this week, if my voice holds out, on how to do Facebook Live from Zoom. And you do not need a big fancy version of Zoom to do this. I am on the basic $14 a month level of Zoom, and yet I can go live to Facebook Live from Zoom or to YouTube Live from Zoom. And I'll show you exactly how to do that in the webinar coming up. In addition, if you're nice, I will show you how to use these animated virtual backgrounds. If you have a green screen, you can put virtually anything you want behind you. So I uploaded some animated backgrounds from Pixabay, and I can just click on those and they'll play in the background. So if I wanted to pretend I was in an office, where I am not, I could have some goofy thing like this behind me. But because we're all working from home, I'll just pretend that I'm in downtown LA instead and show that. But you can see it's a video, so you can see the cars moving here. So it's subtle, but it's video, it's not still. You can also have stills behind you, and you can upload any image you want and put that image behind you. So you can either do that, or you can upload video and play video behind you on the green screen in Zoom. So in the webinar that we'll do later this week, I'll send details. I'll show you how you can also create these cool animated backgrounds to make it look like, even if you're working from a home or a messy office, you can put anything you want behind you so you can make it look more professional. Now, if I was doing the news, I might do this. But if I just wanted sort of a generic office background, hey, Rob, Shell, how you doing? If I want to be in LA, which I do, I can just do that. And again, this is a video. I know it's hard to see the cars and things like that moving, but this is an actual looped video of downtown LA. I can do the same thing here, and you can see the traffic moving if I get out of the way. See? Cool, huh? So that's just an animated background on my green screen on Zoom. So I will show you how to do that in the upcoming webinar. And that'll be fun, because I can show you that you can literally put animated backgrounds behind you. You can put cities. I think this tide's coming in on me on the East River here, or is that the Hudson? And you can put sort of generic backgrounds. All this is right in Zoom. So I'm doing two things here. I'm using an animated background with a green screen on Zoom on the $14 a month version. The low version doesn't matter. If I take off my green screen, you'll see that I have nothing here but a green screen. Put it back on, and I am wherever I want to be, including, hi Teresa, animated backgrounds, which I think is kind of cool. All right, I got no voice, so I'm gonna get off here, but I will do the webinar, assuming my voice comes back tomorrow, and show you how I do that. And I will show you how I go live from Zoom to Facebook Live using the low-end $14 a month version of Zoom. I'm in Zoom, I'm broadcasting on Zoom, but I'm going to Facebook Live. So that's kind of cool. I'll show you more either tomorrow or Thursday, and stay tuned, because I know a lot of us are working at home these days, and we want to maybe look more professional or pretend we're somewhere we're not. So if you want to have kind of a cool professional background, animated background, you can do that in Zoom if you have a green screen. So I'll show you all that once I put this webinar together. Stay tuned. I'm here to help if you need to know anything about Zoom, Facebook Live, live streaming, any of that stuff, especially if it's new to you and you're just being forced to work at home. Let me know and I'll see if I can help you out. Thanks. Bye for now.